Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming access to the accounts that sync contacts. This is critical. Once you have email, password, and two-factor methods ready, open the device settings and go straight to Accounts or Contacts Sync. Make sure Wi-Fi is on and the phone is charging so the restore won't fail midstream. If you have a local backup on your computer, connect the device now and prepare the backup app. Start the restore procedure immediately. Delays risk overriding with newer empty lists. Once done with account access, go to the chosen backup source and select Restore Contacts, iCloud, Google, or a local vCard. If you import a VCF or CSV, pick the device or account where contacts should live and watch for prompts to merge duplicates. Make sure to review sample contacts to verify fields like phone, email, and notes mapped correctly. If conflicts appear, choose the most complete entries, then force a manual sync so all devices reflect the merged, corrected list. You finish by verifying contacts on all linked devices and checking that recent entries are present. If items are missing, try reauthorizing the account. Sign out, sign back in, then force a sync. Once done, clear the Contacts app cache or reinstall it if syncing still stalls. If the chosen backup was incomplete, revert to an older backup and repeat the import. One key tip: if nothing restores, check the backup's timestamp and try an earlier file before concluding contacts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.